Recently, ISH News released a video about dangerous floods in Pakistan that killed many people. Click here to check out the video. On 29th of August, Pakistan's Finance Minister Miftah Ismail told in a media interaction that crops and houses were completely destroyed in the floods. People have no food and are struggling to make ends meet. This is why he said that Pakistan would import vegetables, food items and other essential items. The minister said he would import these items from India as well. Then, on 30th August, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said Pakistan would not import any item from India. He said India-Pakistan have a big problem, which is Jammu and Kashmir. Shehbaz Sharif said until and unless there is a dialogue to solve the matter, India would not take any help from Pakistan. Sharif spoke about Kashmiri oppression and the abrogation of Article 370. The Prime Minister said, since India is doing as it pleases, Pakistan would not accept any help. Prime Minister Modi also tweeted offering support to Pakistan. Despite this, Pakistan has refused to accept help. Many people questioned the government's decision when the country is suffering. People said Pakistan must accept help instead of holding a grudge, while some agreed that the Kashmiri issue should be resolved. Till then, no help should be accepted. So many problems are going on. Do you think this is right or wrong? Let us know in the comments.